Next one is hybrid parameters. In these parameters is nothing but H parameters. H parameters are nothing but when the voltage of one port and other current of other port. This can be taken as independent and dependent variables. Consider the circuit network. Port 1 dash, then the voltage V1 and current in the port 1 I1, and port 2 dash when the voltage V2, current passing through in that port 2 I2. By using this network circuit, if you write the equation of H parameters, then V1 is equal to, why we are taking the V1? When the voltage of one port, then in port 1 dash is we are taking the voltage, and port 2 dash is we are taking the current I2. Therefore, V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Then I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. By using these two equations, we have to find out the H11 value, H12 value, H21 value, H22 value. Now, by using H11, H12, these two equations are called H parameters. By consisting these are called H parameters. In this, to write the matrix equation V1 I2, that is equal to, in square matrix H11, H12, H21, H22, and column matrix I1, V2. Suppose port 2 dash is short circuit, then V2 is equal to 0. Therefore, from the two equations we have to find out the H11 value and H21 value. Why? Because of then the voltage V2 becomes 0. Then V1 is equal to H11 I1, then H11 is equal to V1 by I1, then voltage V2 is equal to 0. This is called 1 by Y11. Then 1 by Y11 is nothing but short circuit input impedance. Same as we have to find out the equation 2. H21 is equal to I2 by I1, then V2 is equal to 0. Here, this is called short circuit forward current gain. Therefore, Y21 by Y11. And similarly, we have to find out the port 1 dash is open. Port 1 dash is open, then I1 is equal to 0. Now, same as we have to find out the from equation 1 and 2, then the I1 becomes 0. What happened? We have to find out the H12 value H22 value. To find out H12 is equal to V1 by V2, then I1 is equal to 0. This is called open circuit reverse voltage gain. Open circuit reverse voltage gain, that is known as Z12 by Z22. And same as we have to find out the H22. H22 is equal to I2 by V2, then current I1 is equal to 0. This is called open circuit output admittance. Output admittance, that is 1 by Z22. Since the H parameters represent dimensionally on impedance, admittance, a voltage gain and current gain. These are called the hybrid parameters. Okay, next one is inverse hybrid parameters. In this inverse hybrid parameters is also nothing but G parameters. In this G parameters, we are taking the inverse of the H parameters. Means before we have to discuss about hybrid parameters. In this hybrid parameters port, first port we are taking the voltage and other port is we are taking the current. Same as here also taken, port 1 is current and port 2 is voltage, that is called dependent and independent variables. Okay, by using hybrid parameters we are taking the current I1 in port 1 dash, port 2 dash we are taking the voltage V2, then current I2. Here I1 is equal to G11 V1 plus G12 I2. V2 is equal to G21 V1 plus G22 I2. By using these two equations, the above equations are nothing but the inverse hybrid parameters. To write this two equation in matrix form, I1 V2, that is equal in square matrix G11 G12 G21 G22, in column matrix V1 I2. It can be verified that then H11 H12 H21 H22 is the inverse of G11 G12 G21 G22. These are the individual parameters may be defined by, then suppose when the current I2 equal to 0, to write the G11 value and G21 value, then one second. Then I2 is equal to 0, same as V1 is equal to 0. By using these two, first of all we have to I2 equal to 0, then we have to find out the G11 value, G21 value. Then G11 is equal to I1 by V1 at I2 is equal to 0. This is called open circuit input admittance. That is known as 1 by Z11. And same as we have to find out the G21. G21 is equal to V2 by V1, then current I2 is equal to 0. This is also known as open circuit voltage gain. When then the current I2 equal to 0, you have to find out the G11 value, G21 value. Suppose V1 is equal to 0, what happened? Then the V1 is equal to 0, from two equations we have to find out the G12 value, that is equal to I1 by I2, then V1 is equal to 0. This is called short circuit reverse current gain. gain, and G22 is equal to V2 by I2, then V1 is equal to 0. This is also known as short circuit output impedance. Output impedance. These all are called G11, G21 and G12, G22. These are called inverse hybrid parameters. Interconnection of two port networks. Interconnection of two port networks. In this interconnection of two port networks, there are two types. One is series connection of two port networks, and the second one is parallel connection of two port networks. Now we have to discuss about first one, series connection of two port networks. In this, two ports are connected in series. First of all, two ports are connected in series. That nothing but, in first port is nothing but X and the second port is nothing but Y component. These two are connected in series. This is X component, this is Y component. In this X component, there are two ports. This is called V1 voltage when the current passing through the I1X. This is I2 plus minus, this voltage becomes V2. Here I2 current, V2X, V1X, V1Y, V2Y. This one is I1Y. This one is I2Y. This one is I2X. This is the two ports are connected in series first of all. Now by using these two ports to write the individual port equations. Now we have to write the first V1X is equal to, what is the port equations? V1X is equal to Z11X into I1X. Z11X into I1X plus Z12X into I2X. Next one, V2X, that is equal to Z21X I1X plus Z22X I2X. Same as Y component, V1Y is equal to Z11Y I1Y plus Z12Y I2Y. V2Y is equal to Z21Y I1Y plus Z22Y I2Y. These are the two port networks equations, V1X, V2X, V1Y, V2Y. By using these equations, we have to find out the V1 value, V2 value and Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 values. Now from the interconnection of the networks, it is clear that then I1 is equal to I1x is equal to I1y. Same as I2 is equal to I2x is equal to I2y. And same as the voltages, V1 is equal to V1x plus V1y. And V2 is equal to V2x plus V2y. Now therefore V1 is equal to V1x plus V1y. Now V1x value, what is the value of V1x? V1x is equal to this one. To substitute this one. And V1 value this one. You have to substitute in this V1 equation. V1 is equal to Z11x I1x plus Z12x I2x plus Z11y I1y plus Z12y I2y. Okay, here I1x, I2x, I1y, I2y, these are called the I1x is nothing but I1, I2x is nothing but I2, I1y is nothing but I1, I2y is nothing but I2. Now Z11 x I1 plus Z12x I2 plus Z11 y I1 plus Z12 y I2. Now to take the commons I1 and I2, then I1 into Z11x plus Z11y plus I2 into Z12x plus Z12y. Therefore V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. Why? Because of Z11 is nothing but Z11x plus Z11y and Z12 is nothing but Z12x plus Z12y. Okay, these two values are substituted in this equation, V1 value, and same as to find out the V2 value, then V2 is equal to V2x plus V2y. Okay, similarly we have to find out the V2 value. V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Here Z21 is equal to, what is the value of Z21? Z21 is equal to Z21x plus Z21y, and Z22 is equal to Z22x plus Z22y. Thus we can see that Z parameters of series network is given the sum of individual networks. This is also known as series connection of the two ports are connected in series. This is called series connection of two port networks. And the next one is parallel connection of two port networks. Same as we have to connect the x component and y components, these two components are to connect the parallel. Next one, parallel connection of two port networks. Parallel connection of two port networks. In this parallel connection of two port networks, let us consider two ports are connected in parallel. Two ports are connected in parallel. Why? Because of input and output. These two are connected in equal. Now in this two ports are nothing but one is x component and another one is y component. X component and y component. The first one dash, one dash, 2 dash, 2 dash. Now we have to connect the first one 1 1. Next 1 dash, 1 dash. Same as 2 dash, this one is V1, current passing I1. Here V1x, I1x, I2x, V2x, V2y, I2, V2. This is V2x, I1. Here in before class we have to discuss about series connection of two port networks. What we are finding? What are the equations of series connection of two port networks? V1x, V2x, V1y, V2y. Same as in parallel connection we are taking the I1x, I2x, I1y, I2y. Then I1x is equal to then admittance Y11. Why? Because of in series connection we are taking the Z parameters. In parallel connection we are taking the Y parameters. In that then the current I1 is the admittance in admittance parameters. The I1 value, I2 value, these two are in the dependent variables and remaining V1, V2 are the independent variables. That's why we are taking the I1x is equal to Y11x plus into V1x plus Y12x V2x, and same as I2x is equal to Y21x V1x plus Y22x V2x. Same as y parameter, y component. I1y is equal to Y11y V1y plus Y12y V2y. I2y is equal to Y21y V1y plus Y22y into V2y. By using these equations we have to find out the I1 value and I2 value. I1 value, I2 value. Here V1 is nothing but V1x, that is equal to V1y. V2 is equal to V2x, that is equal to V2y. Now therefore then the current I1 is equal to I1x plus I2 I1y. I1x is nothing but this equation, I1y is nothing but this equation. We have to substitute these two equations in the I1. I1 is equal to Y11x V1. Why? Because of then V1x is equal to V1 plus Y12x V2x plus Y11y V1y plus Y12y V2y. Then V1x is equal to V2x is equal to V1y is equal to V2y is nothing but V1 V2 values. Then we have to take the common V1 value, V2 value. V1 value is nothing but Y11x plus Y11y. Same as V2 common తీసాం అనుకోండి ఏమవుతుంది Y12x plus Y12y. Here then the current I1 is equal to V1 into Y11 plus V2 into Y12. Y11 becomes Y11 value. What is the value of Y11? Is nothing but Y11x plus y11y. Same as y12 is nothing but y12x plus y12y. Okay, then only you have to find out the I1 value. This is called one equation of the I1. Same as I2 value you have to find out. Then I2 is equal to I2x plus I2y. Substitute I2x value or I2 value in this I2 equation. Then we have to find out the I2 is equal to V1 Y21 into V1 plus Y22 V2. Then V21 is equal to Y21 is equal to Y21x plus Y21y. Then Y22 is equal to Y22x plus Y22y. Then only you have to find out the current values in this parallel connection of the two-port networks. This is called Y parameters of the parallel networks.